Hello guys, welcome to another Spender Day with me. So right now guys, when I wake up guys to go visit my girlfriend guys. Yes guys, I'll visit my baby I know guys. You know me, I wake up you know. It's me a young guys. Woo! Look at that stretch. Woo guys, very satisfying guys. Yes guys, always good to stretch guys. Yes guys. Right here you can see me very sleepy guys. I've knocked some sense on myself guys. Yes guys. So right now I'm gonna go wash my face now guys. Yes man, fresh up my face so I think my girlfriend like what she see. You see me I say guys? Yes guys. Yes
Alright,
guys.
so
Don't wash your face now guys. So right now I go visit my girl now guys. Alright guys, so as me I walk guys and go through the door guys, me see another man and she in a bed guys. Guys, me couldn't believe my eyes guys. Guys, I tell you guys, me get mad guys. Me start cuss her out guys. Me get mad now guys. What I mind say yo, come thump out the boy at guys. Me try thump out the boy at guys. Alright, so we didn't know guys, thump it thump guys, thump it thump, and they want give me one hot thump right now my jaw guys. Knock me out guys, I couldn't believe guys, boy knock me out guys, send me to the hospital guys. Yes guys, boy knock me out guys, I couldn't believe it. Yes guys, boy knock me out guys. Boy, I couldn't believe, me shame. Me embarrassed, I couldn't believe guys, I couldn't believe it. Alright now, so me heal up now guys, the doctor them release me I know guys, so now I'm good guys, so now I can go back to work again guys. I'm a professional goat thief, guys. Yes, guys, I'm a professional goat thief. Sometimes I thief goats for leisure. In my spare time, I love to thief goats. Right, guys, right here, I'm at my regular thieving location, Mars Harry. Goat, guys. Yes, guys, regular thieving location, guys. You know, Mars Harry have a good goat them in guys. Yes, man, a nice, good goat them, guys. So I'm going regular and thieving goat them, guys. Yes, guys. Right here, guys, I'm spotting, guys. Me a wait, guys. Me a wait. I'm grabbing guys, I'm out guys, I'm out.